Lots of people ask if you can jumpstart a car with your Tesla Model 3 battery. Well, no. The owner's manual clearly states that you shouldn't use this technique. You shouldn't jumpstart any other car with the help of the Tesla Model 3. It has a pretty small battery. It doesn't have the ICE engine to back up the battery with the alternator and create higher voltage. It has the backup from the high voltage battery, but it's not the same. It doesn't create cranking amps. And that's why if you try jump starting other vehicles with this battery, it will die faster. But this is not the only problem. It will die, and it may also kill something else, like a DC-DC converter, like wiring in your car, or like it can affect high voltage system. Not the battery, of course, but it can affect some wires, connections, and you can be in trouble actually, especially the warranty will not apply if they know that's what happened with your car. So probably it's just not worth it. You will just need to find some other way, like a battery booster, jump starter, to start another vehicle. But don't risk your high voltage system, don't risk the health of your vehicle by jump starting other cars. You can find videos online, like people do this. It's possible. I can't say this absolutely impossible, and maybe in some emergency situation when you have just no other way out, you can actually jumpstart another car with your Tesla, but you need to understand the risks. The risks are very high. It's not just like I read the owner's manual and I'm retelling you the owner's manual. It actually just common sense. So the electric vehicles, they don't use big batteries and they don't use alternators to back up those batteries. So it just works in a different way. And that's why Tesla doesn't recommend you jump starting other vehicles with this 12-volt battery. And it also doesn't recommend using other vehicles to jump start your Tesla. You can jump start the Tesla only with a battery booster. And this is okay. This is described in owner's manual and you can do this. But when it comes to other vehicles, it's up to you to decide, but it's not recommended at all.